That is, I am Pratiksha and I welcome to you all to our channel My Curry Madhur. Today I have bought a recipe of dal chawal porridge for babies of 6 months of age. But as I have added few veggies in this, so I would recommend that after some time, after 7 to 8 months, slowly and gradually add vegetables. First introduce only rice, after that add dal or lentils, anything, and slowly and gradually introduce other thing. So it is this porridge is a very stress free recipe for mamas who can cook it very easily and very fast. Though you all know how to make this porridge, but I thought that many parents are worried who have their first child and who are very scared of how to introduce the salts to their baby. It is for them, please don't mind. So it is only for them. So it is the easiest and the simplest recipe for babies. It is a gluten-free recipe and you can do modification with this recipe. So let's start with the video. Before starting, I would like to request you that please do like my channel, subscribe my channel and share with friends and families. I need lot of motivation. It won't cost you anything, but it will give you more so much of motivation to make new videos for you. So please do like and subscribe. So let's get started with the video. I have taken 2 tablespoons of rice and 2 tablespoon of split yellow gram. This was a tablespoon. After that I have soaked them in water for 2 hours. Then 1 beetroot, 1 carrot, some ghee or butter you can take, and this turmeric and salt. Turmeric acts as antiseptic, and cumin seeds. Water according to baby. Here I have taken around 200 to 250 ml of water. Now next we are going to take the pressure cooker, put on the flame, add the ghee, let the ghee or the butter gets hot. After the ghee and butter gets hot, just add cumin seeds in it. Let it crackle. After it gets crackled, add the veggies. First I'm adding the beetroot and after that carrot. Just see, here I am adding the beetroot, after that carrot. You can add more veggies according to the taste of the baby. Keep on doing all sorts of modifications so that the baby also don't feel bored eating the same thing, and they will also enjoy the taste of different veggies every time. Or you can also add spinach, you can also add lettuce, beans, french beans. Now after the little rawness of the veggies gets out, we will add the soaked rice and yellow gram in it. Make sure that you soak them for 2 to 3 hours so that they become soft and easy to cook also. This is really a one pot meal which is very easy and stress free recipe for mothers. If you don't find any idea, this is the thing which you can do immediately and give to your baby, and healthy also. Now adding here I am turmeric and salt. Don't add salt for babies if they are less than 1 year. I am saying this again and again in all my videos. After that I am adding water. Water you can add according to your baby's age. If the baby is too small, around 7 months, 8 months old, make it in little soupy form. And after they grow up, just add less water. So this is how I have done. You can also add some asafoetida also. So I have put the lid here and 2 whistles I will be waiting for here. 2 whistles. You can if you have not soaked for 2-3 hours, you can give the whistles till 3 to 4. So here our porridge is all ready to be served to the baby. This is the healthiest thing. Here I am adding extra ghee or butter. You can also add, but if the baby is too small, just discuss with your pediatrician that you can add extra fat on in the baby. I hope you have seen how I have prepared this porridge. Now let's talk about the nutritional value of this porridge. See, rice gives us lots of good carbohydrates. Lentils gives us lots of proteins. Veggies gives us fiber. So the benefits of veggies in which I have used in this video is, the first is carrot. Carrot has lot of vitamin K and vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is very good for liver development, and vitamin K helps in avoid in blood clotting. So these are the benefits of carrot. Apart from this, the benefits of beetroot is that it is a very good source of calcium, potassium and vitamin A, which is very much required for the healthy development of body. Apart from this, both these vegetables are very good source of fibers, which helps in the smooth bowel movement of the baby. Now apart from this, some tips which I would like to add on is that before starting any solid to your baby, please to consult your doctor, because they know your baby very well whether it is the right time to introduce or not. Second tip is that if you want to add any extra fat in the baby food, again discuss with your doctor if you want to add homemade desi ghee or butter in the baby's food. The third tip is that always taste and check the temperature of the food before giving it to your baby. The fourth tip is that introduce every food one by one. Don't mix everything in at a one go and give it to your baby. Always start with rice because that is very light. After that, add lentils like dal or pulses, any other. After that, veggies. In that way, you will get to know whether the baby is able to digest each and every item or not, or whether the food item is causing any kind of reaction in your baby. So always introduce one cereal at a time and give a gap of 4 to 5 days. Repeat the same thing for 4 to 5 days, and after that introduce one more thing. So in this way you have to do it. Now the last step is that which I say in all the video: don't add sugar and salt in any food for your baby if the baby is from 6 months to 1 year. So these are some nutritional values and tips. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, just hit the like button and share with your friends and families. So thanks for watching. Happy parenting, happy life. Stay healthy, stay happy. Goodbye.